Hello and welcome to CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno kwetu mbaya sana. Today I'm preparing tomato sauce or tomato concasse, a very easy sauce to make, very delicious that you can use in making any type of food. Maneno kwetu mbaya. I'm going to cut my onions different types of sizes. So I'm starting with the finely chopped ones. Finely chopped ones. You have to ensure you have diced very well your onions, but you can always cut any type of cuts that you want or that you like. And you have to be very careful while you are using the knife because it's very, very dangerous. Tomatoes. You need them small or cubes or brunoise. These ones I will use to make my concasse sauce. So I need them very finely chopped, brunoise if you like. I need them finely chopped, yeah? Very small ones. These ones I will use to make my concasse. You can always peel the tomatoes if you want and deseed, but it's optional. If you want or you have time, you can always deseed them and peel the skin off. Maneno kwetu mbaya. So I'm going to make my sauce. I'm starting with my sauce. That is corn oil. So I'm going to add my chopped onions. My chopped onions first. Then I stir. Just a sprinkle of salt. Just a sprinkle of salt. It's very essential when you are cooking. When you have added your onions, corn oil, you add your salt immediately. Yeah, it's very essential because it helps in eradicating the flavor, that acidity, yeah, the water. So it will make your food even more delicious. The aroma instantly after you add your salt, you can smell the aroma. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to sweat the onions just a little bit. I'm going to add my ginger garlic. I'm going to add my ginger garlic. The sauce that I'm making is called concasse or tomato sauce, yeah? It's called concasse or tomato sauce. I'm going to add my tomatoes. This is called tomato sauce or tomato concasse. It is a basic sauce in culinary. So after adding my tomatoes, I'm going to add a stock that I have here. This is a stock. It contains carrots, saucy, some pasta. I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar to cut down on the tanginess of tomatoes. Maneno kwetu mbaya sana, yeah? So I'm going to let it continue simmering. just a little bit of stock, and I let it continue simmering to enhance the flavor even more. Let me tell you, it's so delicious. Manene iko wetu mbaya sana. Oh my days. It's so sweet. So delicious, so scrumptious, so exquisite. So I'm going to let it simmer just a little bit. My tomato sauce is ready, or tomato concasse. If I continue simmering the sauce, it will turn into ragu. So that is okay. After simmering for some time, our sauce is ready. Tomato concasse. This is a sauce that you can easily elevate the flavor using cooking cream. And if you are a spicy person, any type of spice that you love, and you can easily take with any type of food or cook with any type of food that you like. Thank you so much for watching CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill. Mkono manene kowet mbaya sana. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana, dank. I'm out.